Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another unboxing episode. So, I ain't gonna lie, I already opened the box, but I've not opened any of the products, which is exciting because this is what this is all about. Me and you and I, unboxing new products together. So, thank you so much, Facetheory, for sending me these beautiful, beautiful products. I'm yet to try them. Let's get right into it. So, what do we have here? So, first of all, we've got Facetheory skincare that's personal. Very nice. We've got a deeply nourishing jojoba cleansing oil. Ooh, guys, I love a good cleansing oil. I'm not gonna lie, it's like my thing. It's like oof. So this is luxury organic cleansing oil with jojoba rosehip argan and cranberry seed oil. Very well. Lovely glass brown packaging, which is great for the environment. Glass, guys, let's get rid of the plastic. Just stick to glass. And secondly, we got a clarifying cleanser. It's an AHA BHA triple acid cream cleanser that removes makeup and impurities. It's for combination oil and skin. They know my skin. It's amazing. Oh, I'm trying to block the light. Let's burst this guy open. It's got no scent. Yes, it's got no fragrance, which is perfect. Because fragrance, a lot of fragrance in skincare isn't great for you because it eventually leads to irritation for your skin. So this is lovely and creamy. It states on the bottle. It's lovely packaging as well. It's lovely glass packaging, which is all great for the environment. Double cleansing bullets right here. So this is perfect. If you don't know a lot about AHAs and BHAs, go have a look at my Instagram. I have a beautiful post about it. I cover a lot of different acids that are really beneficial for your skin. And thirdly, we have Radiant Eye Cream, Hydrating Eye Cream with vitamin C, licorice, chamomile, and retinol. Yes, holy grail. This is the eye cream here. It's lovely and tiny, which is all you need because for eye cream, because the skin around your eye is such delicate skin, you want to be careful, right? A lot of people don't say you don't need eye cream, but if you necessarily think that you do and you found one that works for you, go ahead and keep using the eye cream, but you'll need a tiny amount, tiny drop, and you got to use this finger right here to apply your eye cream because it's the most delicate finger on your hand. So there we go. So we only need a little bit. We'll see what this feels like. We'll just put it on. Tiny bit. Just rub and see. Nice and soft, nice and goes on very smoothly, glides smoothly. Very nice, very nice. But this is it. So thank you so much, Facetheory, for sending me these lovely, lovely new products. And I can't wait to try it out. And I can't wait to do a review on this. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a good review. I feel like I am going to have a good review and a good experience trying these new products. So I'm excited to share my experience with you guys. And I can't wait. Thanks, guys.